Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a brand new, modern, minimalist 3-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in Kapitolyo, Pasig City. This property has great accessibility, giving you fast access to C5, Ortigas Business District, and even Bonifacio Global City. This property has a total floor area of approximately 240 square meters and a lot area of 125 square meters. One of the defining features of this property is its incredibly wide frontage, and it's been maximized in terms of its impact with its modern facade with Kenzai tiles stretching all the way across the facade of the house. Now let's go and begin by taking a look at your carport area. You have a high ceiling space and this can easily fit 2 vehicles. And from here, let's head on in towards the living space. You have your entry from your pedestrian gate on this side, but since we've come from your parking area, we're gonna go through the sliding door towards your living space. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. You immediately have your amenity space for your living and dining area. And the first thing I noticed here is the minimalist modern lighting built into the ceiling. You also have these spotlights that allow you to move them, and that gives you freedom in terms of having different types of artworks and displays along your white walls. In addition, the house has an irregularly shaped cut, but the design was maximized so that you can have this nice rock garden area. And you can even open it up for additional ventilation. And if you'd like, you can also have it open but have the screen here so that you have that ventilation. And this is large enough to have a nice living room set as well, and you already have an LG branded inverter split type air conditioning unit cooling the entire space. The tiling also is large format tiles with a gray marble stone design, which complements the minimalist look of the property. You see it's a very black, white, and gray theme for the entire house. And from your living space, you have your dining area right here, which already has a dining room set for 6 people. Even the marble stone design of the table complements the flooring so well. And of course, for your guests, you immediately have your powder room right here. Nice indirect lighting with natural ventilation and fast access towards the amenity areas. Okay? From your living and dining space, you have the sliding door leading to your main kitchen. I also like that it's a pocket door that slides into the wall to save space, and it has this window so that while you're having your meals prep, you have a view of your dining and living space. Wow, I like that the designers really stuck with the minimalist theme. You have the color scheme here being a great contrast to the white walls of your living and dining area. From the cabinetry, the marble design for the countertop, you already have a 3-burner cooktop and oven built into the cabinetry. So this is La Germania in terms of the brand. You already have a Samsung refrigerator here And even the water source here for your purified water is already built into the cabinetry. This is a nice touch also with the opaque glass. For your pantry space, you already have a double sink area here. And you have a swinging door here leading towards an auxiliary space. So you already have a washing machine here, a desk area, another heavy sink, and this gives you access to your parking area. Now we're back here at the parking space, and here you have your staff room. So you see there's already 2 beds here, storage, and a bathroom. From your staff room, you have an additional washer right here, and this is also where your water pump is conveniently located. And this is a DAB branded water pump, which is an advanced pump that's quite quiet as well. Okay. From your washer area, you also have a space here where you can hang clothes. So every area in this house has been maximized for functionality. Now let's head back in. So from your parking area, we go through your auxiliary space, back to your modern kitchen, and to your living and dining area. Okay? My first impression of this property is that it feels so much larger than its 125 square meter lot size. It's because of the wide frontage and shape of the lot and the way the property has been configured. In addition, another aspect that I saw here in the living space is you already have outlets built into the flooring right here and underneath the table, so that if you have electronic items, you don't have the wires stretching to the outlets at the walls. Okay? And now it's time to explore your home office space. So this is a separate room from the 3 bedrooms at the second floor. You have a tempered glass door right here, and there's an opaque part for privacy. And this would make a nice space to have a study area or even a home office space in terms of having a Zoom room where you have teleconferences and online meetings. And it already has a window type air conditioning unit built into it. And another nice aspect is you have this window giving you a view of your mini rock garden as well. And you have additional storage right here underneath the stairs. Okay. And just to give you an orientation, this sliding door right here leads to the pedestrian gate. So you have a sliding main door right here. Okay? And through this sliding door, you have your staircase. Now, I just want to mention this is a nice touch because this keeps your entire living and dining area cool because you already have 2 split type air conditioning units here. But if you close this off, this keeps the cool air from going up and saves on your costs as well. And as you open this up, you have your staircase leading to the second level. And I like this design aspect that you have the same tiles for the staircase as the living and dining area. So for continuity of design. Nice pin lights right here. And a sturdy railing as well. And here we have your second level. As an additional touch, you have a view still of your rock garden from your staircase here. And now we're here at the second level of the house. Now, this house, once again, is a rare find because This, I think, is one of the only, if not the only, brand new single detached house and lot for sale located here in the Kapitolyo area as of the making of this video. And you can see right now that you have a high ceiling space for your hallway. You have all this natural light. Even the hallway space is maximized with storage. And let's take a look here at your first bedroom. Wow. So this is what you've noticed from the facade of the house. You have these windows at the top of the facade, and they serve a practical purpose in terms of lighting and ventilation for all the bedrooms at the second level. And this gives you such a nice feel also with the high ceiling. You already have an LG inverter split type air conditioning unit. You have built-in cabinetry right here, even a nice dresser space with a mirror. And then you have a combined balcony here between the first and second rooms. Okay? And from here you can even take a look at the tiles that make up the facade. Okay? So this is just a nice area, especially if you have siblings. This is a nice area, common area for them. And let's already go through this door towards the second bedroom. So this room is a similar size. Once again, it has an LG split type air conditioning unit. So this bed is not included with the property, but this is just placed here so that you have an orientation on the size. This is about a twin-sized bed. And then once again, you have the storage. Even the design of the cabinetry is consistent with the gray, white, and black design of the entire property. You have a nice dresser space as well. And even in this area, the ceiling is high enough that you can have these windows which border the hallway space. Now we're back here in the hallway. And to give you an orientation, you have your first room right here. And then this door is the second room. And then this is a shared bathroom. So let me walk in so that you can appreciate the size. Floor to ceiling tiling, and even the ceiling height is consistent here. Nice indirect lighting. And the designer still made sure to have natural ventilation right here. Okay. On top of having an exhaust fan. And once again, you have CCTV cameras in the common areas. And right here, you have your entry towards your third bedroom, which is also your primary bedroom. Another thing I noticed about this property is I love how wide the doors are. Okay? Okay. So you immediately have storage upon entry. So from this angle, you can see how much storage it is. And then you immediately have such a wide open space for your primary bedroom. Significantly larger size, and what a nice feature wall right here with this stone design. And you already have your bed with a leather bed frame as well. Once again, you can appreciate the high ceiling, and then you have an LG branded split type air conditioning unit. Again, very minimalist area here for your entertainment console. Even the display shelves are very minimalist, but you can imagine having your television set on this side. And then you have a large picture window here. I love that it gives you a view of the street in the community, but at the same time, it still provides you, in terms of the angle, a lot of privacy, and you can easily have curtains installed here. But this gives you so much natural light. And on top of that, you have this sliding door here, giving you a nice additional private balcony space. I like that this has a lot of privacy from the street level. This is just a nice area to give you ventilation also for your master bedroom. But this can fit like just a very small table and a chair. Just a nice additional balcony space for your master bedroom. And this is another way to maximize the irregular lot shape of the property in a creative way. And of course, here you have your master bathroom. And you get to have that high ceiling space once again. Okay. And very modern tiling as well and design, especially for the countertop here where you have a Bravat branded dual vanity sink space. Bravat also for the faucets as well. And I love the indirect lighting here. Another great feature of this property is that this side of the house, especially the master bedroom, is facing the east side of the property. That's why you have all that natural light being enjoyed by this room. And in addition, check out the flooring. You have a gray wooden design which complements the aesthetic of the entire property. But at the same time, what I noticed is the workmanship of how pulido in Tagalog it's been laid out. You can barely see the spaces between the paneling. Okay? And that caps off our quick house tour. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us to our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us to Instagram and Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.